This is home number 2. It's a model 331. Also a 16 by 76, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. A little bit different layout, some different features in here. I want to show that to you. It's done again with the accent color on the front. This home primarily base color is a dark gray with a light gray accent. It's got the 25-year warranty shingled roof, 50-year warranty siding on it. Exterior lights at both entries. Also has the thermal pane windows. Then this home, I don't have it decorated, but you get an idea of the space that's in the floor plan here. Got a lot of open area up here through your living room, kitchen area. There's an extension to the countertop that can be used for bar stool seating. A little bit larger dining area with some extra cabinets. Sliding glass door comes off the back side, so you can access a deck off of that area. Also done with the overhead vents and the entertainment center here in the front. No carpet in the living room or the second bedroom up here in the hallway. Got carpet in the end bedrooms on both ends. Lots of storage in this home with the butler center here. Plenty of outlets. Lots of counter space here in the kitchen. Got drawer banks here underneath the island. Then you also have a pantry storage closet right here in the kitchen. Gives you a little bit more storage even in addition to what's here in the cabinetry. A little bit smaller utility room. Utility room's done for the washer and dryer set. Again, you got the whole house shut-off valve, washer and dryer connections here. They put a transom window here in the utility room so you're not into a dark spot. Then again, a really, really nice sized primary bedroom. Got the wire and brace for ceiling fan. Got the 72-inch soaker tub, just like in the last home. Towel cubby, dual vanity, and that 48-inch shower. Been one of our most popular homes because of the extra storage area and the way the kitchen lays out, how nice and open it is up here in this front living room. Transom windows over the top of those windows, and the sliding glass door brings in a lot of light to this home. Again, the middle bedroom is done without carpet. It's going to be a linoleum flooring all the way through here. LED lights, overhead vents. Now this one, they've upgraded the door to the wood door with the louvers in it for your furnace and water heater compartment. Still have the transom window here in the hallway to bring in natural light. Full-size guest bathroom with a tub shower combination. And then another really nice sized front bedroom with the overhead vents, LED lighting. Really, really good sized room. I hope this gives you a little preview of what the homes are that we're talking about. Please give me a call. Let me know if you have any questions. Phone number is 325-267-9701. Again, this is Bill Wilkins, and we are now standing in the model 331 Silver Spur.